OneAI 2.0 review. Hey there, welcome to my review of OneAI 2.0. In this video, we are going to look at the different apps you can connect to via the inside of this members area, and also take a sneak peek look inside the members area and how all the apps are organized and the pros and cons of this system. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. Been doing this from home for well over 10 years now, so I've seen lots of different systems come and go in that time, so hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research OneAI 2.0 reviews. Also, if you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with OneAI 2.0, the way it works is you get access to supposedly a range of different AI tools inside the members area, and you can switch between them to get different output, whether it's a text-based tool for writing articles and blog posts, or one for creating videos or graphics or doing a specific task. You get a whole host of different tools inside one members area. So there was a launch a couple of months ago of a product called OneAI, and that basically combined around 6 to 8 big tools such as Leonardo and ChatGPT and the big most well-known ones. And this one is a relaunch of that product, but they've got new tools inside the members area and more of them. So because that product was really successful, OneAI, in terms of it sold lots of memberships on the WarriorPlus platform, and it was ranked number one product for quite a while. So I think these style of launches where you get a compilation of different AI tools inside the members area is quite popular. However, I'm always skeptical that they are actually using the services they say they are. I see a lot of these launches, and the way it works is they claim there's a tool for images, for example, and they claim it's Leonardo because that's one of the main images tool. But you can never really see behind the scenes what they are actually using for access to that. It could just be they could just be using the brand name because people have heard of it, but then they've just got a generic white label license type AI software working behind the scenes. So I'm always skeptical they're actually using these tools that they say they are. You just have to take their word for it. And I'm also skeptical on the amount of money you're going to save, because this is just a simple low-cost one-time product. They're not going to give you access to the $20 a month plus pro versions for each of these tools. And there's lots of tools. It's about 17 or so. So they're not going to be able to create a product that they sell for $14.95 and would otherwise cost you thousands of dollars a month to buy yourself. That's unrealistic, that's unlikely. So either they're just hooking up to the free API version of the software tools, and they've got a certain limit of free usage on the free versions of these tools they can package into their members area, or they're not actually using the same brand names that they say they are, that they're advertised. They're more using generic AI tools that do something similar, but it's not the same brand. So I am skeptical of this approach where they claim you've got all these big brand AI tools, you can use them unlimited access for one-time fee of $14 when you could use them for thousands of dollars yourself anyway. So I'm skeptical of that claim. But they have got lots of different useful tools packaged into the members area, and the benefit of it is you can switch between these tools and basically use different output and compare what you get. So even if they aren't using these same brands that they say they are, if you can at least test the apps and it gives you a different output, you can mix and match between various different apps and see which gives you the best output to use for your internet marketing. So I think there's still advantages of using these software tools to see what the output is, and just to get a range of different output from lots of different tools. However, I'm just skeptical you're saving that much money by getting access. I don't think you're getting access to the full pro versions, unlimited to each of these tools, like they say they are. I think that would be unrealistic to be able to put that all together. Also, you're saving time instead of having to subscribe and create a free account to each of these platforms and verify your email address one by one, having all the different tabs open in your browser. You could just access all this via one members area. So even if you're not saving on price by manually creating free accounts of each of these services for the free versions, you're saving time by accessing it all in one members area and not having to go through that process. There is still value in having technically free tools inside a paid members area if it saves you time and it's easy to switch between them and compare the output. So both pros and cons in terms of what you get out of OneAI 2.0. And you can just test the different apps, see the variety of output, and pick the best one that makes the most sense for the campaigns you are using. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my OneAI 2.0 review. If you want to discover how I earn a full-time income online, and my number one system to plug into right now for realistic income on the internet, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done-for-you system, and it's a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my OneAI 2.0 review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.